What is this, you ask? This is a vibratory tumbler. Does it clean Clad coins? I'm not sure, but we're both gonna find out. Welcome to another Digging Connect video. Most of you will already know that last year I dug a lot of clad with my XPORX, so a lot of it is gungy and rusty and it needs to be cleaned in order to return it to the bank. So today I am going to use a vibratory tumbler that I picked up for a great deal. It retails for about 80 bucks and I got it for 34. So let's put some coins in it and see what happens. So this is the tumbler. This one specifically said that you're not supposed to use water, so we are going to use some walnut shells. These are all different sizes, so hopefully it will work. And remember, I've not done this before, so we're doing this together. So what I have a bunch of $1 Canadian coins, loonies, and I'm also going to throw in my $2 coins only because they have a similar color center. So we're going to throw those in there. Just going to turn this on to show you the action. I don't know if this is going to work. Yeah, I didn't see too much tumbling action in there. Let's try that again. Gotta say, I'm really not seeing any tumbling action. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some round walnut shell in there as well. It's much finer grit. And hopefully we can see the tumbling action going on. All right, let's try this. Well, to be quite honest with you, I'm not really seeing any tumbling action. Yeah, let me take some of these big walnut pieces out, and thank you, Miley, thank you. And I'll get back.
A few moments later.
All right, so what I had to do was I had to smash the walnut pieces into smaller pieces. They were much too large and they were kind of getting stuck with the other stuff that was going on here. So this is what we have so far. The coins seem to be moving around a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put the lid on this, and then I am going to give it 1 hour. We'll come back and we'll see if they look any different. Remember, I'm learning this too, so.
One hour later.
All right, it has been an hour. Let's see what's going on. I did actually, and I must say, I did add some couple handfuls of aquarium gravel to the mix. Let's pull out a couple coins. Wow, that actually looks... That's not too bad. Well, I gotta say, pretty happy with that. Now, I didn't expect too much with the loonies, but well, that one could probably use a little bit more. Now remember, the reason I'm doing this is just to get the crud off so that I can roll them and return them to the bank. And I must say, the initial tumble, if you will, has made them clean enough to put in rolls or to put in a coin star. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let them go for 1 more hour, and then that will be it. So after 1 more hour, I will take them out and line them up, and we'll see how they look. But initially, pretty impressed. They're not 100%, but then again, they really don't have to be because they are just going back to the bank. Gotta say, not too bad, not too bad. And I have a triple mix in here of real walnut shells, which I had to make into smaller pieces because if you leave them whole or halved, it's way too big, and this just gets all, I don't know, like bunged up, I guess. So I have that, as well as you can see I have the finely ground walnut shells from the store, and then I threw in some aquarium gravel. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in another couple handfuls of aquarium gravel, run this for another hour, and then bring you back and show you exactly what they look like. So back in an hour.
1 hour later!
Wow, those are pretty clean. Very rollable, I would say. Very rollable. Definitely all the gunge and the dirt and stuff is off. They are very rollable, and they are totally acceptable for rolling and returning to the bank. All right, I am going to fish all these coins out of here, and then I'll let you know what they look like. I'm happy with that, gotta say. Wow, some of these look brand new. Definitely no gunge, no dirt, and ready to roll. So there you have it. Can a vibratory tumbler clean coins? Absolutely. Is it an alternative to the rotary tumbler? I'm not sure yet, but I did get one for Christmas, and that will be up next. Until next time, remember to keep it real, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.